What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Waves, which has pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $2.13. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? On the other hand, should you sell it and take out your profits, or is it simply time to hold on to the crypto before it pumps up even higher, heading up to the $3 mark and so on? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Waves go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? So essentially, we are going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also short-term and long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, which is the market is up over nearly 5% in the last 24 hours. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin has finally managed to pump up over $30,000. So this week has been great for the crypto market. Mostly green, and as you can see, BCH has pumped up over 30% as well. So overall, this week has been very positive, and hopefully we can maintain that over the next couple of weeks and months as well. So Waves indeed is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain over 4% in value. Over the last day, a massive 41%. As you can see, it was trading around $1.50 for most of yesterday, all up until very early this morning, where it slowly started to pump up in value, and is still ongoing right now. Over the week, 50% up, and over the month, just about 3% up. Only reason is major drops here early June, as you guys can see, where the crypto market was also crashing, including Bitcoin, but right now it has slowly started to recover and is still recovering. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up quite massively to $410 million in the last 24 hours. Again, Waves is one of the top trending cryptos and top gainers in the last 24 hours as well. So we are going to see a lot more people looking into the project, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Waves, which is here in purple at $1.52. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in red at $2.11, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We've got the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is slightly looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Waves over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in this case, I'm talking about towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. I'm expecting Waves to be more or less trading around its current price range, around the $2 mark, $2.10. However, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently staying at that price range over the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to pump up even higher, going above $2.20 over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down in value to around the $2.10 target towards the end of the day today. But again, do expect decreases and increases in value, so ups and downs, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the neutral side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we do have the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So according to the graph, an overall major increase in value is what is expected. However, that is not realistic, as I've mentioned plenty of times in my previous videos on Waves. Whenever you see, not on Waves, sorry, on crypto in general, on the MACD indicator, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, either going in a bullish or bearish direction, that means it's not realistic, and in this case it's not realistic as well. Again, is only basing it off the last couple of hours where it's pumped up in value. So over the next 7 to 8 days, guys, so let's say towards the end of next week, even though I am expecting an overall increase in value from waves, I'm not expecting any major pumps or major bull runs or anything like that. Potentially heading up to $2.25 to $2.30 is where I'm expecting waves to be trading at towards the end of next week. So again, nothing too crazy, nothing too major, but again, that also does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit red days in between as well, up and down, but the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from waves over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So the blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they're not looking as steep as the previous chart. However, they're still looking bullish, still looking positive, meaning over the next 6 to 8 weeks I am expecting an overall increase in value from waves. So in this case, I'm talking about mid to late August 2023, we should expect waves to be more or less trading above the $4 mark, hitting about $5 is what I'm expecting by mid-year over the next 2 to 3 months, guys, if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side and if everything goes towards a positive direction. Again, yes, red days are expected. We are going to see red candles in between here and there, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, and especially Bitcoin, guys, if it manages to pump up to 35-40k, we are going to see most cryptos pumping as well. However, if it drops down to 20-25k, then we are going to see major drops in the crypto market. But again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on my predictions and my takes on the crypto market. But yeah, at the moment, waves is looking positive, and overall increase in value is what is expected over the next couple of months, and hopefully towards the very end of the year, as I said in the thumbnail, or as I mentioned, I am expecting waves to be trading around the $10 mark towards the very end of the year, guys, depending on how the crypto market performs and how high Bitcoin goes in specific as well. But again, if you guys want regular updates on waves, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on waves. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and also let me know your end of year prediction for waves. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff, guys. At the end of the day, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.